print out your plane tickets from Expedia, start by opening the official Expedia website and sign into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you can do so by clicking on the Sign In button and providing your details. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the main page where you can view your recent searches and discover new places to stay. If you've already made a reservation and want to print out your tickets, you can do so by checking your email for the confirmation number and flight ticket number that Expedia sent you. You can use this number to check in at the airport and have your tickets printed out. Alternatively, you can check in online and print out your tickets yourself. To do this, go to the Expedia page and find the section for online check-in, where you can select your airline and click on the Check-in Online button. This will take you to the airline's check-in page, where you can enter your ticket number and other information to check in online, usually 24 hours before your flight. Once you've checked in, you can print out your ticket and bring it to the airport. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you should be able to print out your plane tickets from Expedia without any issues.